Okay.
Oh, careful to have to kind of do some, box everything.
Yep. All right, you ready?
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop.
So what's up with the straps right there?
To keep the hatch down.
Oh, okay. You can ratchet them down.
Yeah.
That's smart.
I got a ratchet now.
So what's your name? What's in here, man?
Alfred Yates, 2 Resilient Sounds Gold 15s. That Fonte Tom 7500 Pro. CS lithium, stop bulk still, stop core still.
Okay. Wow.
Nothing's really changed except for everything in the back.
Okay.
And the whole new wood floor.
All right. So how big is the box and that tuning and port size?
Port size is 8-inch aero, adjustable, the full-length kit. It has 16 to about mid-30s frequency. I play 15.
Really? Wow. Okay.
I got a very good bit of man range, but the only problem is though it gets a little high on the end because of the 23.
Okay.
But I don't do that though.
All right.
I just bought a new bass top today.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
I appreciate that, man.
Yes, sir.
You like the lows, don't you?
Oh, love them.
Yeah.
Love them.
And your back hatch, like you have it. Is it held down right now?
No,
It isn't?
I didn't strap them down.
Okay, I was gonna say it was flexing a good bit.
I got the straps to help me with
SPL.
metering.
Got it. Appreciate the demo. How much do you think it helps you when you strap it down?
Before I did the box, before I finished the box, because I got it as a raw box, I didn't have no finished work. I did all of that finished work.
Okay.
From December to the end of January. With no inner trim, no straps, nothing, just trying to find my peak. It did a 147.5.
Wow.
So we're hoping to at least be closer to that 50.
Oh yeah. Well, if you do a little bit more cabin work and adjust the box, and you know.
Like I said, we're beginning of the middle of this year, we're starting to take this out.
Oh yeah.
So,
Good luck with it, man. Appreciate it.
appreciate it. Good seeing you again.
You too, man.
I said, seeing you right here, I was like, I gotta have him come look at the car.
Yeah, you did great. Awesome.
It's been.
You're welcome. Yes, sir.
I was like, I seen you at the Hard Rock Hotel.
Yeah. Oh, it's been a while. Yeah.